Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make yakisoba. It's meal for one series today, and today's menu is yakisoba Japanese stir-fried noodles. When you're cooking just for yourself, you don't want to use a lot of kitchen equipment. So today I'm using Ziploc container to make it. Yakisoba is stir-fried noodles, but I'm not even stir-frying it, so it's super easy. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this yakisoba, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make one serving. 1 bag of yakisoba noodles, 100 grams of thinly sliced pork rib, some salt and pepper, some vegetables, any vegetables you like. Today, I'm using cabbage, carrot, and bell pepper, and it's about 150 grams total. 2 teaspoons each of oyster sauce and soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of garlic paste. As always, I'm doing all the cutting first. So carrot. Peel the skin. Make some diagonal slices. Then slice it thinly. Bell pepper. Let's cut it into half. Remove the seeds and the pith. Then slice it thinly. And cabbage. Let's just make it into strips. Pork into bite-sized pieces. Prepare a large Ziploc container like this. Put pork, 2 teaspoons each of soy sauce and oyster sauce. 1 teaspoon of garlic paste and 2 teaspoons of water. Give it a mix. If there is any lumpy pork slices sticking together, try to release them. Yakisoba noodles and all the vegetables on top. Put the lid on. Don't seal it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave. 4 minutes at 600 watts. Give it a good mix. And another 2 minutes at 600 watts. With the lid off this time. Little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Mix it well. it's done. Serve in a plate. These are totally optional, but some katsuobushi, bonito flakes, and aonori seaweed flakes if you like. And yakisoba for one is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so good. It doesn't taste like a dish I cooked in 10 minutes using microwave. I wish I know how to do this when I was a uni student. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Yakisoba is noodles, but it's carb, so let's put it here. It's meal for one, and you don't want to spend too much time cooking just for yourself, so let's keep it nice and simple. There are enough vegetables in yakisoba, so let's forget about the side dishes. Let's put fried egg on top of yakisoba so that there is enough protein and I can pass the main too. Instant miso soup or any soup you like here, and the meal is ready. I hope you enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!